Selling across platforms, Amazon's new integration will change the game. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Amazon to TikTok Shop. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so we can see on the page the latest news. Find the right multi-channel fulfillment integration with new tool. And you can see it's talking about a new tool. So if you sell on eBay and somebody orders an item on eBay, it connects to your Amazon and Amazon will ship the item for you automatically and put the tracking in. That's right, it works for eBay, Walmart, and you can even make it work for TikTok. So let's see this tool. So if you open this, it's going to say, okay, where do you host your website? I don't know exactly why it's asking for the website, but you can click none of the above right here. Or if you do sell on Shopify, if you do sell on these, you can click on them. But here's the big part. Where do you want to connect your Amazon marketplace to? Right? So if you sell on Walmart, if you sell on Target, eBay, Etsy, Newegg, Overstock, Groupon, Mace, so many different websites. It's missing TikTok. That's why we're going to go over TikTok at the end. But for example, if I sell on eBay and I sell the same exact items on Amazon that I do on eBay, I can click show results and I can connect something like Veeqo or Webbee and I can connect it. And then if somebody orders on my eBay, Amazon automatically gets notified, takes it from my inventory on Amazon, ships it to the customer and puts the tracking in on eBay for me, which is huge. That's a huge benefit. So these tools are really good. So all you have to do is just go through these. And there is another update as well on multi-channel fulfillment. It used to be a little bit slower, but now it says, this isn't within the last 3 months, faster delivery speeds for US multi-channel fulfillment orders are now available. So now pretty much standard delivery has improved to 3 business days, down from 5 business days. So it's a lot faster, happier customers. Expedited delivery has improved to 2 business days, down to 3 business days. And priority delivery has been discontinued. So it's faster, it's better. Amazon's putting more money into this. So they want you to expand to eBay, to Walmart, and then utilize Amazon to do the shipping. Because Amazon still gets paid for it. Plus it's 2-day shipping, it's like automated, and it does work. Now if we're staying towards the end of the video, to connect Amazon to your TikTok shop, to your eBay shop, or whatever, we're going to be going over a tool that I've actually tried out, and we're going to be making videos about it, Webbee. So if you just type in Webbee, best Amazon MCF and NetSuite integration app, so you can click on this, and they do have great customer service. You can actually request a demo, and any problems you have, they'll have a live video for you. That's why I love it. So you can click start for free, and you can also check out the integrations. And here it is, TikTok Amazon integrations, right? Not too many users active. So this is the time to get in on TikTok if you haven't been on TikTok yet. Again, I'm gonna be making a video in the future on how to connect to all of these, but you can do TikTok Amazon integration, and then it'll help you connect your TikTok to your Amazon. And if somebody orders on TikTok, again, Amazon gets notified, ships it to the customer, automatically puts your tracking in on TikTok. So that's an amazing platform, and Webbee does all of this. They connect both of the platforms for you, and they work. It works very well. It's a little confusing at first, but again, you can click request a demo or ask for a call, and then they can help you. Here we go, TikTok Amazon integration, schedule a free demo. And it's going to give you tons of times where you can schedule an actual demo with them. It's very, very good, and I highly recommend to try it out. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And of course, if you did learn something new, smash that like button. If you're already a seller on Amazon, I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you needed help connecting your Amazon account to eBay, to TikTok, to Walmart, or you just need help on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. Right in the description, you can click the link and schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is where we come in, we'll manage your entire account, we'll help do an audit, we'll review your listings, call Amazon for you, everything just for you to help you increase your sales. That's our full account management. Just contact EHP Consulting Group today. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.